I'm Mark Yeager. This is my 2006 Subaru STI built by Gimme Sport Tuning. We decided to give Odie at Feal Suspension a call and picked up a set of his 442 off-the-shelf coilovers. He went ahead and personalized it to our needs that we have in time attack. Basically what that means is me and Odie talked a little bit, we put together a little game plan, and he valved it appropriately for what we needed with our car. That means he looked at our aero package, he looked at the spring rates we needed to do, he looked at the weight of the car, and he built a coilover for us that's going to outperform anything else.
Hey, I'm Odie Bakshis, the owner of Feal Suspension, and today I have the pleasure of working with Mark Yeager at Gimme Sport. At Feal Suspension, we love Subarus. We spent a ton of time developing suspension components for these chassis. This is a GD chassis. I love this chassis. We at Feal Suspension absolutely love it as well. And this specific coilover kit is something that we pride ourselves on because we feel like we can do anything with it to fit your unique purpose. For example, Mark's car is a full-blown unlimited class race car. So we knew we had to go crazy with the valving and the spring rates, but if you're just driving your car occasionally on the track or just autocross, we could essentially use the same structure of this coilover kit. And if you order a Feal 441 kit and you select custom valving, that means we can do anything with spring rates and with valving. We evaluate what tire size you're running, how much aero you got on the car, or if you don't have any of that stuff. None of this is at additional cost once you get the road race spec kit or a custom valve spec kit. We spend the time needed to get your setup perfect for you. The 442 kit not only has cool adjustment features, it also has a ton of suspension stroke. That means you can utilize helper springs, get a ton of droop and a ton of wheel travel, and get all the traction that you'll need on any road course, even if it's a bumpy one. If you have questions about the way we build our suspension, the way we design it, give us a call or shoot us an email. Also, if you're interested in checking out our product and making a purchase, go to fealsuspension.com and look at all the products and different options we have for you.